Oh, it's not even ours. Is it? It is ours.
Yep.
Hi vlog. So today we're in food science and we're making beef stroganoff. Yummy. This is Micah. This is Micah.
Alright, I'm ready, y'all. Is there mushrooms in here?
Micah cheated. She ate earlier.
I had one singular.
I don't know. Just whatever.
I had a little beef.
Cheers, y'all. I hope y'all live.
Yeah, y'all should.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's actually not bad.
It's fine.
It just needs, I think, a
I
little
feel
bit.
like everything in food science has this taste. This no seasoning taste. Yes, like it doesn't taste real. It wasn't bad. Y'all are so fake. This vlog is gonna flop.
2-1.
Hello.
Hello.
No,
Am I supposed to be able to hear y'all?
You're supposed to say hello too.
Oh,
I don't
hello.
know if they all work at the same time.
It'll work as an audio file. It should.
No, it works with the camera.
Oh, okay. 1 tablespoon seasoned salt. Half a tablespoon red pepper flakes. Half a tablespoon black pepper. 1/4 cup milk, and then 1 cup vegetable oil. So we need cups in tablespoons and 1/2 tablespoon. And then 1 tablespoon.
Okay, vlog. So I'm nervous. That was really loud. They're gonna do. I don't know. Mason works
they're
at
back there.
Cane's, so hopefully our chicken is cooked thoroughly.
Coach, you mind if we grab the scales?
Mason,
Do you not need them?
Does Cane's use real chicken?
Is what?
Does Cane's use real chicken?
Yes.
Fresh chicken every Saturday. So don't come to Cane's on Fridays.
Third advance on my account.
But how do y'all store it?
I don't want to wear the mic anymore. I'm afraid I might say something not easy.
I might not.
I can edit it out. It's not.
Okay, good.
This isn't unfiltered.
Caitlin, I love you.
Chicken color stir fry. Take off from the bird, keep her let the birds fly. Why I try to take my prize, you a dead guy.
Not really. Oh, you want
Which Caitlin are you talking
Caitlin?
about? Oh, okay.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Oh, we need that?
Yeah.
I'm saying good like I really want to do this.
We'll fat off.
I
Yeah.
need to report all the things he's saying to Kayla. She's gonna flip out. What am I talking about?
It's a really dull knife.
Wait, where was
This
this?
might be bad. I might need to get it.
Oh, it's probably just like not made as an assignment. A new assignment.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Do it for the vine.
Food for the vine. Get y'all right.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
We're gonna put you right here.
How many chicken breasts did you guys get?
2.
Okay.
A pound.
What is Mason doing?
Mason, you want to prepare the bowl?
Yeah. What am I doing?
Oh, you can
So what?
What am I doing?
Okay.
All right. Cut your chicken breast into tender sized strip. Heat oil in frying pan.
Got it.
Where's the fry? I gotta get
I'm
fried.
so glad we
In the frying pan. I think we're gonna need more oil than this.
This is ridiculous.
My mic even on? Oh, what do I do next?
because I think they both play minutes.
Mason's trying to sabotage the vlog.
This is like nothing like this.
Like a stir fry. In the kitchen, wrist, twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir.
Out of here.
My mom always cooks that.
It's a good fry. Got it.
I was literally just about to say properly heated bowl.
Yeah, we finna burn this food down.
So we're never letting the guys lead again.
One size fits most.
I'm borrowing the vlog.
Okay, so I'm so sorry, but I do have to leave you guys.
Oh my god, I know. That is definitely like at least a 3. It's going on my YouTube.
There's 400.
I can beep anything out.
I got
Okay.
you, love.
Over 5.
State your name.
My name's Alicia.
My name's Dallas.
How is
Have
your
it on
chicken
your
going?
phone.
It's obviously going good. I mean, look
My
at the
fault.
cooks.
You're good.
You know, it's gonna be great.
I don't know why.
Yeah, it's real. It's real
We're gonna have the
season.
best chicken in the building.
I bet.
All right.
I'm rooting for your chicken.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I mean, that's what I do.
So-
Still recording.
Yes.
Put
What's your
chicken
name?
in.
Desiree.
Desiree, how is your chicken going?
Oh, Coke,
Great.
chicken.
Okay. I'm rooting for it.
Flour, then-
I heard you
I'll be
say
back
that
once
to
I'm
them.
done. Okay.
You do it over there?
Well,
Yeah.
I have to say that to everyone. How's it going?
Going great.
That's good.
Good setup. You just bring it up.
Okay. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Okay.
No. You get these after.
Those are gonna look good. Good job, guys. Y'all are really making progress. What were your thoughts on table 1?
They did a lot better than yesterday.
I know.
I'm really proud of them.
I know.
We burnt our oil.
I need like a water cup. Can you hand me one, please?
Oh, wow.
I'm getting a mini.
The best.
This is the best one. He really wanted a Tinder.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm so happy.
Don't get to me.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Tastes like a chicken.
It's good.
These are tough.
You guys should do.
Good job, guys.
Some.
Is it good? Ours is better.
Probably.
Hello, it's me. I've been wondering why their chicken looks so light. That group chicken looks so light. It's so good. But I give them a 2 out of 10. This group, a 10 out of 10. You know, it's real. No, it looks really good and crispy. Look at their group. The groups on this side.
Oh, I just had juice in mine.
I ain't done much.
Was it raw or was it just juicy?
Welcome to my channel. My name's AP, and you're cooking with the.
Okay. I feel like
I'll beep it out.
I definitely overdid a couple of these. but
Okay,
they're probably
thank
better.
you for bobbing
Than
out,
raw.
bro.
I don't want to put it right here because it's going to get soggy.
That's what I'm thinking. You think they have? Oh, is that strawberry papaya?
It's not even that funny.
I'd be happier if I had a girl.
I have a girl for you.
I'm waiting.
She's waiting.
We waiting together. Where is the vlog? For flour. The recipe doesn't call for a lot of flour.
Isaac,
Yeah.
you can't wear 2 different socks.
Yeah.
You can't stop me.
Kaylin. Oh, Kaylin. How's it going?
Spectacular. crappies.